It's a new 2019 Ford Super Duty F-250 single rear wheel. With a powerful engine and unbelievable towing capacity, it has a lot of pickup. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love: V8 engine, electronic shift on the fly, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, mirror mounted spotlights, firm suspension, configurable instrument gauges, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Car and Driver remarks the full-size truck world remains wedded to the idea that bigger is better and that too much power will never be enough. Every generation has its Ford. This one's yours. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
At Lakeland Auto Mall, your complete satisfaction is our #1 goal. We are conveniently located at 1430 West Memorial Boulevard in Lakeland, Florida.